Welcome to Shri Learning Academy. Today's focus is on the CIA Triad. For those interested in more personalized learning experience, we also offer private sessions. Connect with us on WhatsApp. Now let's dive in. In the huge online world, keeping information safe is very important. The key model that helps with this is called the CIA Triad, which stands for three main principles in information security: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Now let's break down each part to understand why these principles are so important for protecting the sensitive information. Confidentiality is about keeping information in the right hands and preventing unauthorized access. Imagine sending a personal letter to a friend. You wouldn't want others to read it. Similarly, in the digital world, sensitive information should only be accessible to those with the proper clearance. Encryption acts as a digital envelope, encoding messages so that only authorized individuals can decipher them. It's like having a secret code that only you and your friend can understand, ensuring that the privacy of your conversation even if someone intercepts the message. Access controls are like the gatekeepers of a castle. They selectively restrict the access to resources, allowing only those with the right keys or permissions to enter. Just as not everyone can walk into the high security facility, not everyone should have access to sensitive data. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. It's similar to having two locks on your front door. Even if someone picks one lock, they still need the second key to gain access. In the digital world, it might involve entering a password and then confirming identity through a separate device or a code. Integrity revolves around ensuring that data is stored and transferred exactly as intended. It's like ensuring that your friend receives the letter you wrote without any alteration or tampering along the way. Hashing is like creating a digital fingerprint for data. Just as each person has a unique fingerprint, hashing maps data to a fixed length, creating a unique identifier, and if even a small change occurs in the data, the hash value will drastically be different, altering us to potential tampering. Like in this example, we start with the sentence, "Hello Eva," and create a hash of it. Now, if we change just one letter in the sentence, like replacing A with E to make it "Hello Eva," the hash will look completely different. This shows us that even a small change in the original text leads to a big difference in the hash. By checking the hash, we can make sure that the message hasn't been altered or tampered with. Digital signatures act as a virtual seals on digital documents. Imagine signing a contract with a pen. Your signature verifies the authenticity of the document. In the digital world, a mathematical scheme is used to create a unique signature, providing a reliable way to verify the integrity of data. Certificates are like digital IDs, combining with digital signatures to verify an individual's authenticity. It's like having an official ID card that proves you are who you claim to be in the digital landscape. Non-Repudiation provides proof of integrity and prevents individuals from denying their actions. It's like having a signed receipt when you purchase something. You can't later deny making the purchase. In the digital realm, non-repudiation ensures that the actions performed cannot be denied later. Availability is all about ensuring that information is accessible whenever and wherever authorized users need it. Imagine having access to your favorite book at any time, regardless of external circumstances. Redundancy involves creating backing up the systems to ensure services are always available. It's like having spare tires in your car. If one fails, you can rely on the backup. In the digital realm, this might involve redundant servers or data centers. Fault tolerance ensures that a system continues to operate even when a failure occurs. It's similar to a juggler dropping one ball but seamlessly continuing the act. In the digital landscape, this could involve systems that automatically switch to backup components when an issue arises. Patching is like regularly maintaining your home to keep it secure. It involves updating and fixing vulnerabilities in the software to maintain the stability and close potential security holes. Just as a leaky roof needs fixing to prevent water damage, software vulnerabilities must be patched to prevent cyber threats. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, understanding the CIA Triad is essential for safeguarding the information. Confidentiality ensures that the secret stays secret. Integrity guarantees data's honesty, and availability ensures that authorized users can access information when needed. By implementing these principles, we create a robust defense against the myriad threats present in the cyber world. So, as we navigate the digital realm, let's keep our secrets safe, our data honest, and our information readily available. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are looking for more personalized training, contact us on WhatsApp. We offer a range of theoretical and practical courses starting at just $99. You can also find a written explanation and a quiz on our website, linked in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. We are here to help. See you in the next one.